Hey guys, last week we built the frame of what's going to be our campervan kitchen. This week we are building the closet frame, the drawers and the water storage. There's just one small problem. I've never done anything like this before. And to make things worse, if I mess this up, I will not know till the last moment because I'm not able to fit my van in here. So I will be building everything in here, and once it's finished, I will be fitting it on the van. And this is the space I have to work with. So, follow my journey. So in this part I want to make an opening. This opening is so I can store kitchen things here. So my idea is to here an opening and this divider so I can store things here. I can make the holes. We'll make one hole here and one hole here. This is my okay, I'm going to try something that I don't know if it's safe, if I should do it or not, but I've seen so many people doing it, so just tell me in the comments. Thank you. Did a little mistake over here, but it's okay. That's how you learn. Mistakes. Embrace your mistakes. To do that, but yeah. 5, 9, it's off by 2 millimeters. I made another mistake. I mistake the line that should be on the bottom part by the one that should be on the top part. Let's see. Better than a hammer. Okay, 300 plus 15 plus 288 plus 7.5, 604.5, 604, 04 and a half. This is where the screws should be. I'm just going to give you a valuable tip. Measure twice, cut once, but more importantly, right in the line, stop of this. You're going to paint over it, so it doesn't matter, but write on your lines. And these lines, for example, this is for the screws where I should screw it. This line is, for example, where I should do the holes. And then another valuable tip: make a line where you should do the screws and where it should coincide. It will be easier then, not to guess. I'm going to follow my own advice and measure all lines. Let's start by the bottom one, 61.2 centimeters. Between this and this. Okay, completely flush. Okay. Okay, seems nice. It almost doesn't seem crooked, although we both know it is crooked. So now let's open our Bible. 76. 76. I'm going to be honest with you, that is crooked as hell. Why this is on? I know why. Because it doesn't have fucking screw. We'll fix this now. Why I decide 76? I have no clue. But what I know is if my Bible says 76, if my Bible says 76, it's 76 and not 84. How? Now it should be on the money. I'm a walking epi. Please don't fall. I just bought you. Hey, my friends. Perfect. Moment of truth. How squares we are. 1,592 millimeters. 1,590. I don't actually believe we are square. Well, I know why it's so crooked. It's both. Let me check for the first time with you. Okay. By the way, this is not what's going on here because it's not the measure, but seems okay. Like you open this, yeah, I can put here,